Today we're visiting a factory that manufactures heavy-duty steel drums used throughout industry.
Everything starts with a massive steel coil like this one. The steel coil is now feeding into the production line. The coil is unfolding into a continuous sheet of steel. These rollers remove the natural curve left by the steel coil. The steel is being leveled before it's cut into drum body sections. The steel is now being cut into sections that will become drum bodies.
These steel blanks will become the main body of each steel drum.
The flat steel blank is entering the machine that gives the drum its basic shape.
The rollers gradually bend the steel without cutting or damaging the material. The steel is starting to take on the shape of a drum body.
We're seeing the first true drum shape appear for the first time.
The cylinder has been formed, but the bodies still need a continuous welded seam.
The cylinder edges are being aligned before welding begins.
This weld permanently joins both edges into a single steel shell.
The drum body shell is now welded and ready for the next forming operations.
The weld is complete. Now the seam is being blended into the body of the drum. The shell is being calibrated so every drum has the same dimensions. The body is being corrected to achieve a perfectly round shape. The first reinforcement bead is being formed into the body. The additional beads strengthen the body and improve resistance to dents. The edge is being shaped to prepare the body for final assembly.
The body is finished. Next, the top and bottom sections of the drum will be made.
The drum body is finished. Now the factory starts making the top and bottom sections. This circular steel disc will become part of the finished drum. The press is forcing the steel into its new shape. The bottom section is finally taking shape.
The top section is made separately, using a different forming die.
These finished ends are now ready to be attached to the drum body.
The first end is finally being attached to the drum body.
the first time the drum is fully assembled.
The drum body is now structurally complete.
The first opening allows the drum to be filled with liquid products. The second opening helps control filling and emptying operations.
The threaded fittings will allow the drum to be securely sealed.
The main filling opening now receives its threaded steel fitting. The smaller fitting completes the drum's opening system. The drum can now be securely closed and sealed.
The drum is now tested to make sure every seam and fitting is leak-free.
The drum is fully functional. The next stage focuses on surface finishing and appearance. The steel surface is being prepared before any protective coating is applied. A primer coat helps protect the steel from corrosion and improves paint adhesion. This final coating provides long-term protection and the appearance customers recognize.
The steel drum is now fully finished and ready to leave the factory.
The finished drums are now being prepared for shipment.
The shipment is now moving toward outbound transport. The drums are leaving the factory and heading to industrial customers.
The drum is now being connected to a transfer system for use.
From raw steel to a working industrial container, the manufacturing journey is complete.